Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. The Jamaica Intellectual Property Office, JIPO, is closer to protecting the intellectual property of Jamaicans on the international scene. That announcement coming from JAMPRO President Dan Edwards today at a webinar hosted by the agency. Andrew Laidley reports.
Brand Jamaica is popular across the globe, carrying with it huge financial prospects. That's why some merchants exploit the brand by putting the word Jamaica on their label to get more sales. For decades, they've been getting away with it. But JAMPRO President Diane Edwards says that practice will soon come to an end.
We are actually in the process of reinforcing the ability of JIPO, as we call it for short, to be able to enforce internationally trademarks and patents that are registered in Jamaica. We are really on the cusp of signing the Madrid Protocol.
Signing the Madrid Protocol will give JIPO the ability to enforce intellectual property rights in over 100 countries. But Ms. Edwards notes that there are still some limitations.
You cannot register a geographic indicator of a country's name. You can only register a specific type of product, like champagne from the Champagne region of France. We have registered Jamaica Blue Mountain coffee because it comes from the Blue Mountains. So it's a very difficult area. So companies can create a jerk seasoning and call it Jamaican style. That is allowed in the international market, and there's nothing we can do about that.
The JAMPRO president says a crucial part of protecting intellectual property is ensuring that consumers are familiar with the authentic brand.
It's an ongoing challenge. Is there more to do on this? Absolutely. And we are focused on how we can develop our own brand and protect and market our own brand, because I think it is by really enforcing the authenticity of what we have and getting people, helping them to realize what is authentic and what is not, that we will be able to start protecting Jamaica's name and ensuring that only authentic brands are using that name.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $140.93. The Canadian sold for $105.14. The pound is going for $177.33, while the euro closed at $157.78. The JC index lost 520 points today, and the junior market index is up 20 points. Among the winners were the Lab, 1834 Investments, Cargo Handlers, Access Financial Services, and the Jetcon Corporation. On the losing side were Blue Power Group, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, Everything Fresh, CAC 2000, and Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.